People of Kangabokpa to stage a sit-in demanding magisterial inquiry into the death of Ibema, 2-year-old girl at Sky Hospital at Kangabok Awang Market today. People in Manipur celebrate Yaosang Festival with religious and traditional enthusiasm. Sports festivals herald Yaosang in many parts of the state. People collect light torches from the sacred Kangla. And Speaker Yunam Kamchan asserts sports meets during Yaosang Festival make the festival constructive and meaningful. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. Impact News wishes our viewer a very happy Yaosang. I'm Kangwazam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People of Kangabokpa to stage a sit-in demanding magisterial inquiry into the death of Ibema, 2-year-old girl at Sky Hospital at Kangabok Awang Market today. It may be mentioned that Ibema, daughter of Kundrakpam Rupo from Kangabokpa, was announced dead in a suspicious turn of the event by the hospital authority last Tuesday. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary of the JAC formed against the death, Thokchom Dilip Kumar demanded the government and the authority concerned to take legal actions against the responsible doctor and the authority of Sky Hospital at the earliest. On the other hand, the post of the deceased was conducted in presence of the Health Director, Imphal West, Medical Superintendent, SDO and JAC members yesterday. However, the family members have not taken the dead body of the child yet.
Post of death karino ay basi chak chawa achumba report ama sarkar ke maikai de thambiu dugma sida chenafa doctor sing marala pagati dugma chenari bisak sing matakta goina hospital Sky Hospital hari basum hospital sing matakta matik chawa koi action la papiu ai oi bagi punsibo karba tawre raga sien tan tang khanba sigum ba karba se hospital chalai ri ba dugumba businessmen singasu hai ri basu ma khali business sing se tawbiganu.
People in Manipur today celebrated the first day of the 5-day Yaosang Festival with religious and traditional fervor and enthusiasm. The first day of the festival was marked by the burning of Yaosang, or the burning of the straw hut just after sunset in every colony today. People offered fruits and flowers to deity on the occasion. Just after the burning of the straw hut, young boys and girls in colorful traditional dress went from door to door asking for money nakateng. Sports events were also seen incorporated with the festival in most of the localities. The 5-day Yaosang Sports Festival kicked off across the state with gaiety and festive fervor today. The Festival of Color, which has been celebrated in the state by organizing sports festival, was kicked off by getting torch from sacred Kangla Fort. Different clubs and organizations came to historical place Kangla Fort early this morning to collect sacred fire, which was later taken to their respective localities to mark the opening of the Yaosang Sport Festival. Boys, girls and elders from different parts of the Imphal Valley came to Kangla from eastern, north and western gates of Kangla to fetch torches from 3 different sacred shrines of the Ibudo Pakhangba at Kangla Utra Sanglen. People were seen eagerly waiting for the sacred flamed sport torches outside the Kangla Fort. Imphal West District Police, top officers of City Police, including police personnel, gave a strict visit around the sacred flame shrine in the Kangla and helped in the easy movement of the people. Apart from the Imphal City, clubs and organizations in areas away from the city also commenced the Yaosang Sport Festival by lighting their sports torches from their nearby sacred shrines.
Lepo. Mama one biro.
Mani Lenada, Mani Belasis, Jacket Piro, Equity Channel Rushing, Shang Lam Tang Jella Prachida, Joker,
The Youth Guidance Club Komba Khetrileka distributed all-age pension in the locality to mark the club's 21st annual Yaosang Sports Meet today. The club distributes all-age pension every year on the first day of the Yaosang Festival. Around 20 elders in the colony were distributed the all-age pension in the event, attended by many people in the colony, including elders, youth and children.
Noluk sige, tangay pa.
MLA of Moirang Assembly Constituency P. Sarachanda inaugurated a skill development center at Kuakta Ward No. 1 and distributed GI sheets to the families who are below the poverty line. The minister also donated 10 sewing machines and 10 embroidery machines to the skill development center with an objective to provide self-employment to the women flock of the area. Speaking on the occasion, the minister appealed to the women of the locality to get training from the center and participate in building the economy of the state. Moirang Municipal Council, Kuakta Municipal Council, councillor and ward members, BJP Moirang Mandal, BZYM Moirang and BJP workers attended the event. The IPR in a press release informed that both at state, district and block level to simplify issuance of disability certificates to persons with disabilities have been constituted. At the state level, Director of Medical and Health Services will be the chairman, while Chief Medical Officer will be the chairman at the district level board in all the 16 districts, and medical officer in charge of the community health center concerned will take charge with 3 doctors as member at the block level board. Manipur State Council Communist Party of India condoled the demise of the party leader B. Sharma by holding a condolence meeting at the residence of the deceased at Khoman Mangjin this afternoon. B. Sharma passed away late last night. He was 83 years and is survived by his wife and 3 sons. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Centre's approval on project worth over 2,900 crore rupees to make cities safer for women under the Nirvaya Fund. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Women and Child Development Ministry has approved project worth over rupees 2,900 crore under the Nirbhaya Fund for 8 major cities to make them safer for women. The cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad and Lucknow. The decision was taken after a meeting of Empowered Committee, which is headed by Women and Child Development Secretary. Chirom Indira, wife of C.H. Chanjoy Singh from Thangmeiban Tlairen Hanjaba Laikai, has been selected for the prestigious award Nari Shakti Puraskar 2017 for her remarkable contribution towards women empowerment, development of socio-economic conditions of the weaker section and handloom sector. Ministry of the Women and Child Development, Government of India confers the Nari Shakti Puraskar, the highest civilian honor for women, on International Women's Day, March 8 every year. The award will be handed over on the day at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. Chirom Indira was one of the women entrepreneurs, designers, exporter and social worker from the northeastern region of India. Her dedication and contribution for the development of handloom sector and working for the women empowerment made her a well-known figure in the northeast. It may be mentioned that Indira had received many prestigious awards, including National Award in Design Development of Handloom Products, honored by Ministry of Textile and DMA, All India Women Entrepreneurs Award 2018, Super Achiever Award honored by Delhi Management Association. A book entitled Apangi Mingshel, written by B.K. Panjimayum, was released today. The book release ceremony was organized by Cultural Forum Manipur at the Hall of Manipur Hindi Parishad, Old Assembly Road, authored by B.K. Panjimayum, who is also a member of the Cultural Forum Manipur, was written 14 books, including folk stories since 2010, and Apangi Mingshel, released today, is his 15th book. Some of his popular compositions and poetry are Fonogi Sangol Marum, Sakhenbi, Samsangbi, Bud Ki Kaithil, Raskumari Ki Satil, etc. Convener of Manipur Language Advisory Board and Kiran Kumar and President of Cultural Forum Manipur H. Bihari were among those present on the occasion. Naharan Pleishemba Club NLC Thangmeiban Chinam Plekai took out a rally as part of the 7th Observation Day against drugs observed every year by the club last night. Large number of people, including volunteers of the club, Mairapaibi members, youth and elders, took part in the rally under the theme Say No to Drugs, Yes to Life that went around Thangmeiban Chinam Plekai. Speaking to media person, President of Naharan Pleishemba Club, Pratap Leisangthem, said the club started to organize the rally with an objective to stop the use and sale of intoxicants which affect the society as a whole right from the locality on March 1 every year.
Koina miam da paujela si pijari lengthok pirasi panthoi bi mara pai bi sing naro le shema club ki sahi tare chukna satharapa nampunya sarukya bina bagi da makam miam da paujela sarukya ning sujari umthang buling bagi mara pai bi amma makam tholak tuna amani lek tuna chukchila bagi bakhum thum masina sarukya bi masina naro le shema club bi mai te miam da sarukya ning sujari sahi tare chukna satharapa adu mara sami
mayai kabani sana hoji manghal la iba sething piriba imung manungda satra mama pa ibising da nisha sadana lerakanda ngasai masa ibising da ngasi nisha gi sething mayok na baduna maram orakanda education da yamna sokthar iba khunai sida mangdar iba nupi na hojik nisha saba mawong sangsal iba nupi na nisha sakta di mapuro be da kramaina kwarakani kamaina to na mapuro be control to godage haibna singmo mayam se khangmin rakanda ngasi lekai asidagi haudraga ato palaikai da su akoina nisagi mayokta akoina sai khudingi leptana sangselak pasina nisa sabe yade haiba akoina paujel puba khongchat ama oina akoina sasabani akoina sai khudingi akoi nisagi mayokta lepi ko haiba club maira singna akoi adumba lepa numit amani haina akoi march ki tangwan bu sai khudingi akoina maira gi lema sinjabani.
And now in sports. Speaker and Singzamai MLA Yumnam Kamchan inaugurated the 51st Annual Yaosan Sports Meet 2018 of Yumnam Leka Yumjau Lairambi Lampat by releasing balance this evening. The speaker also has launched Yaosan Sports Meet at different local clubs of the Singzamai constituency. Speaking on the sidelines of the opening function of the Yaosan Sports Meet, Speaker Y. Kamchan applauded the people of the state for adopting sports meet during the 5-day celebration of Yaosan Festival. He said that people used to indulge in antisocial activities like throwing of mud and dirty water to the commuters. However, celebrating the festival by organizing sports meet by local clubs of the state has now made Yaosan Festival more constructive and meaningful.
Matam amada ngasigi sahi yangkai gi mamang da hajabadai yauksangi akoi nangang mringi matam sida yauksangsi gi ape tena bagi matak tamu lekom pataba haiba khotpa masina yamna socially noaita element amasum tholpagi mongong manbana rakhangde matam dugi ahalaman singna yauksangi kumai si sports ta divert to bire kanda ngasi bawda bharat ki asuk yama masing population sida Manipur gi pick up kan population sina mangjin dana sports changwangang disi yauksangbu sports no ontok ki basi masi basic amani na thamjani ahalaman singna afaba poktak bibiram sports untuk piram basi masih amuk kaya segi kau dia abe teba korba ising tanah basi thaduk pirakanda sports yang tokbina ba ina mayam da appeal dau jadi.
In the first day of the ongoing 8th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2018, Impact TV team has bagged 8 medals so far, including 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals today. For the Impact TV news reporter, Katrimayum Premchand bagged a gold medal in the men's shot put event and a silver medal in the men's discus throw event, while Lilison bagged a silver in the men's 400-meter race. News anchor Victoria Raskumari bagged a silver medal in women's long jump and a bronze medal each in women's shot put, discus throw, 100-meter race and 400-meter race events. So far, Shanghai Express team bagged 3 medals, while Imphal Times and ISTB bagged 7 medals each.
Disqualified. Nilai tu nilai. Ini chung. Yes. Go se pinball like go. Good. You. Lo. Bring the giriya ni.
The 7th Under-17 Boys Inter-District Kangleipak Football Trophy kicked off at Imphal Polo Ground today. Eminent members of all Manipur Football Association and Kangleipak Student Association were present at the inauguration. In the first match of the knockout basis football tournament today, Kuki Football Association, Kangpokpi District and DFA Thobalt were drawn 1-1 in the stipulated time of the match. The teams again in the kicks off from penalty mark or score 5 goals each. Kuki Football Association, Kangpokpi District scored 3 goals while DFA Thobalt scored 2 goals in the sudden dead kicks in to decide the fate. Kuki Football Association, Kangpokpi District finally beat DFA Thobalt 9-8. 7 teams are participating in the ongoing tournament organized jointly by All Manipur Football Association and Kangleipak Student Association. The second and third matches will be played tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People of Kangabok Park to seize a seat in demanding magisterial inquiry into the death of Ibema, 2-year-old girl at Sky Hospital at Kangabok Awang Market today. People in Manipur celebrate Yaksang Festival with religious and traditional enthusiasm. Sports festival to herald Yaksang in many parts of the state. People collect light torches from the sacred Kangla. And Speaker Yumnam Kamchan asserts sports meet during Yaksang festival marked the festival constructive and meaningful.